Welcome to another tutorial on using the editor in the ZanzaBee marketing platform. We're going to be showing the styling of text in the editor. So let's take let's take a look here at this page that we have. As you can see here, we have a page, and if we look at the content here, we have the three text boxes. So we're going to do some styling to these boxes. And also, but first what we want to do is we want to add a text box above them first. Okay, so we have our three top reasons here. Let's add a text box above the first one here. And this text box is going to state the actual three reasons in bullet form, followed by these three current text boxes that you see here. So we're going to enter a text box above that. So let's click the text box in the lower right, and then we're going to position it here, and we're going to click the screen here and input that text box into the main screen here. So now we've added that text box. We're resizing it so it's just about the same width as the other one, and we resized it. Now let's add a background to it, so we'll click the text box background. It pulls up the nav bar on top of it, and we select the icon for change the background text image. So let's click that. It opens the library and it shows us a number of backgrounds we could select. So let's select one. Let's do this one here. Okay, that looks pretty nice. So we select that one, and we're going to enter some text. So we click the box. There we are in the left-hand side of the box, text box, and we're going to enter something here. So we're going to put our three top reasons. Let's enter that. So let's enter that there. And after that, let's put our three top reasons just below that. And let's enter it, our three top reasons. Search our extensive database. So we're going to see our top reason number one is search our extensive. Okay, search our database conveniently. Let's go to reason number two. Is get the finance get in-house financing. We'll put as number two. And let's put number three. Let's enter at number three. Let's enter close the deal with confident closing. We'll put as number three reason. Okay, and after that, we'll just put a little break there. So let's highlight this now. Let's bullet these. So our top three reasons, we're going to put center it. Okay, we'll center that there. Let's center that header, and let's change its size to, for example, 26 pixel size. And let's bold it. Okay, and if we want, we could give it some color. Oh, let's give it some color here on the, make it red, for example. Okay, so there we have it. Now the three reasons we give below it, we're going to make those bullets. So let's make a bullet. Let's highlight it by clicking on it and with right click and highlighting. That pulls up the options, styling options window. Let's click on the icon where you say bullet items. So we'll make it a bullet. So you can see it's bulleted. Let's do the same now to the other one below it. Let's bullet it. And let's bullet the third one. Okay, we've got 3 bullets there. And now what we can do is let's style the text on the bullets. So we highlight it. It pulls up the options window. We're going to make this one, we're going to change the font on it. So we're going to select the font as being Impact. I like that one. And we're going to make it blue. I like blue. Okay. Besides, it looks good on the background. So it's blue, it's bolded, it's Impact font style. And what else I want to do to it? Let's take a look at it now. Okay. Maybe I'll make it a little bigger. Highlight it. And we made the other one 26 pixels. We're going to make this one about 24 pixels in size. And let's do the same to the other one. Make it okay. Actually, what we'll do is this. If we highlight the first one, we can save the style, and we'll save it as we'll put just header 2 as the style for those bullet points. Well, let's put bullet style. Let's put bullet 1, I'll say. And I'll save bullet 1. And then I'll come and highlight the second one. So let's highlight the second one here. And let's look in the select styles. Let's go down. And there's bullet 1. Select it. There we have bullet 1. And let's correct that there. Now let's get to the third one. And let's apply the style to the third one. Okay, so basically we have essentially made our header up here, our 3 top reasons you see in red. That's the header. Plus we have our bullet points here, which are have the same style. So we've just demonstrated essentially how to style text, both using the different parameters there, highlighting and changing the text. Now what we can also do is we could also change the borders on this text box. So let's do that. Let's change the border there and give it a little bit of color. I'll make it a bright green, and then I'm also going to make it solid, 2 pixels. Okay, so there we have it there. We have our new text box with text in it, and that should pretty much do it. Now interesting feature here is if I wanted to drop this first box down that we just created and drop it down, we could do that. We can essentially pull it down, push it down over the other box below it, push, 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 and we could bring it all the way down here. Okay, And so essentially I just demonstrated that we could take text boxes and we could shift them all down. And if I wanted to bring that text box back up again, I could just pull the text box up again. And then I would resize the box. I'd pull down the resize icon all the way till I touch the bottom one below it. And then I would pull up all the way. And that would close the gap so we have some even spacing there. So that demonstrates some of the characteristics also of the text box and positioning, so forth. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.